In this guide, I'm going to show you how to break out of the chair in the main menu here in Call of Duty Black Ops 1 on PS4 and PS5. Now you actually get an achievement for doing this, but once you're on the main menu and you see Hudson banging over there and all this stuff, right, you just need to go ahead and look down and just spam R2 and L2, and you're going to see your guy kind of struggle, and boom, he'll break out and you can walk around. And what's really cool is there's this little monitor over here. You can go over here, interact with it, and type in secret codes right here. That'll unlock a ton of different bonus content, including Dead Ops Arcade, which we have a full separate video on, so make sure to check that out if for whatever reason you maybe don't remember or you just want to get a little refresher just like so. But that's the entire process. Explore. Whenever you're done, you could just return to it and then access the menu again. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.